back to the channel, me and Car Keys. So in today's video, we are dealing with something on the truck that has not been working properly for the last 2 years almost. Yeah, so it's been 2 years. I knew it wasn't working properly, but I've been putting it off and putting it off. So today we're gonna deal with it, and that is our windshield wiper pump button motor thingy. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Now in this video, you may see me with a mask on, you may see me without a mask on. That's because me and Pollen, we don't get along. I don't like Pollen, Pollen doesn't like me. So I'm gonna have this mask on a lot of this video. I'm gonna take it off now. It did rain yesterday, so it should be a little better, but yeah, mask up. I'm gonna show you exactly what happens when you hit this button. Now our washers are there, right there. So, ouch. All right, let me just show you what happens. We're gonna hit the button. Nothing, okay? You can hear the motors going. It does what it's supposed to do. Everything except for the fluid coming out, which I don't know why. Look there, get an up close look. Nothing. Now, it could just be that the fluid is low, which would make me feel really stupid, but it could be that the fluid is low, but I think something's going on with the pump. It was working fine. It was working just fine until I took it to Ford. I took it to Ford to get one of those works packages, the oil change, tire rotation, and top off the fluids. And after that, didn't work. Okay, so I'm not the only one that this happened to. I'm not saying anything, but I'm just saying I'm not the only one this happened to. So we're gonna check out the motor, see if we can figure out what a motor is, and then we're gonna check it out and see if it's not like clogged or something like that. All right, now our wiper washer fluid is right here, and it does look kind of low. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's pretty much nothing in there. There's a little bit in there, so it should actually still be coming out, but it should definitely be filled up more than that. So what we're gonna do is right there. So if you look at your truck, right there, which means it is right here somewhere in this area. So I'm gonna have to roll this lining and see if we can get to it. Okay, if you're doing this with me, go ahead and turn the wheel all the way to the right. Give you a lot more space to get into, especially if you have these size wheels and tires. So, yep. Now, I have to remove these screws. There's one there. There's one there. All the screws for the lining, and these little clips right here to pull out. I thought these were 5 mil, but 5 mil was too small, 6 mil was too big. I have found this random, it says 55 millimeter. I don't know. It was random, but it works. So, yep. Ignore my bad wiring, crazy wiring, but that is the pump right there. All right, I'm a little Husky flashlight. Big shout out to my brother. My brother got me this flashlight. This is awesome, y'all. So, little Husky. You can stick it up there. You can put it on your head, by the way, also. But anyway, stick it up here. You can kind of see. There we go. That's a lot better. So there's a connector right there. There's a tab on the top of the connector so you can get it off. And there is a hose going to it. I think that just pops off right there. And I think you just pull it out, I think. So let's try to see what happens. So I got my bucket here to catch my fluid, because you can still use all that fluid in there. So. All right. Well, that didn't go as planned. But look at this. I don't know what windshield wiper fluid is supposed to look like, but is all this gunk supposed to be in there? And it's like all the way down the driveway. We do have our wiper motor, and as you can see, that is full of blue gunk, the same blue gunk that's down there. So that's probably our issue right there. All this gunk here on the ground. That's not the worst part. Check this out. Look at that. That came out of our wiper motor. It literally just dripped down from the wiper motor. So yeah, at least we found our issue. So if your wiper fluid's not pumping, this is why. All that's full of gunk. There's no way that would have pumped out. So I bought this 2015 F150. I'm the second owner that I know of. I'm the second owner of this truck. I don't know if this has ever been looked at, ever been changed. Like I said, when I first got this truck, it was working just fine. So Ford, what did you do to my wiper pump? Just tell me, just confess, what did you do to my wiper pump? Because it wasn't like this before. So I thought I could reuse this fluid, and obviously I can't, so that's going in the trash. We do have some new fluid we can put in, so we're good there. So this is our wiper pump. It's working just fine. You can hear it when you hit the button. I was trying to use a small screwdriver to get it out, but it wasn't moving. So I pretty much get the screwdriver on end like this, and just stick it in there, kind of move it around, see what comes out. There's all kinds of gunk coming out of there. That's a lot better. So now I don't have to take it out. And I was damaging it. I already damaged it right there and right there on the bottom. So I'm gonna leave it in there. Like I said, you can see on the inside, you can see how much cleaner that is. All right, y'all, so unfortunately, I'm out of time. Actually, I have to go to work today. So first reason is because I have to go to work, so I have to pick this back up tomorrow. Second reason is because this pollen, y'all, is killing me, y'all. I've been out here with the mask on the entire time. I'm still, okay. We'll pick it back up tomorrow and go. What's happening, y'all? Today's video is sponsored by No Cow. No Cow protein bars. Now, if you're like me and you want to live a healthier lifestyle, you want to eat a lot healthier, but you're into a lot of issues because you have a lactose intolerance or you have a gluten intolerance, No Cow bars are perfect for you. Let me show you why. They are gluten-free, non-GMO, keto-friendly, vegan, and soy-free, and most importantly, right there, dairy-free. You know, I've been using No Cow bars for the last 3 months. And these bars are perfect for me if you're going to work, you're going to school, or if you're like me, you're filming a video. I'm about to eat one right now. So these bars are perfect for you. You can eat them on the go, and they are delicious. This flavor is peanut butter chocolate chip. Now, one of the great things about No Cow is that you can try their products out essentially for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping, which is like 99 cents. So they'll send you 3 bars. You can try them out and see how you feel. Now, if you do like them, use the link in the description below as well. You can get 15% off your order. You'll be on your way to living a healthier lifestyle and not worry about your stomach hurting after you eat it. So thank you, No Cow, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to it. So good. All right, y'all, and back like we never left. So we did take a couple days, actually been a few days. I'm happy I took a couple days. The pollen was y'all getting me, but I got an N95 mask this time. Last time I had on one of those filtered masks with no filter, so kind of pointless. But you know, I got an N95 today, so we're gonna knock this out real quick. I did clean this out. Ran some water through that side, and I ran some water through that side, and a little bit more came out. I took a paper towel and kind of cleaned it out a bit more, so it looks a lot cleaner than it did before. I don't know if you can see that. Looks a lot cleaner. My little concern is that the hose that goes on this end, that goes up to the jets, might have some sludge in it, so hopefully not. So basically now you just reverse the steps. We're just gonna reverse the steps, put it back on, put our fluid in, and we should be good to go. I'm not gonna film it because you already see me do it. This is our new fluid right here. It's Rain-X all season. Hopefully this works a lot better than whatever Ford put in my truck. Let's go. All right, so of course check to make sure we're not leaking. That little drip there that you see is from me spilling it. All right, now let's start it up and see what we got. Hey, I'm on the truth. We got it started up. See what we got. And nothing. Had me nervous for a second. Let's try one more time. And go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it scared me for a second. We got clean window. That makes sense. Had to give time for the fluid to get up to the jets. Yeah, so we got fluid, y'all. I'm gonna do it one more time just because. Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo! Got it done. Hey there, wife. I'm sorry. Sorry, I didn't even know she was there. Sorry. Well, we got it done. Aren't you happy we got it done?
Yes.
Now we can clean the windows. No more pollen on the windows. Let's go. All right, there you have it, y'all. We are done. We did use the entire bottle, and it still wasn't actually full, so, but that was enough for now. Got it done. Feels good to have something done, and it looks good. Look how clean this window is, y'all. Look at how clean that window is. That's what I'm talking about. So, got it done. It's actually a very easy fix, so if you're having issues with your wipers, your washers the jets you're having issues with the washer fluid not coming out, this is probably the problem. It's probably just your motor. It's probably clogged up with all that slush. Before we end this video, I want to talk about the last video. There was a clip in the last video that I didn't really go into detail about, and it was this clip right here. We got the trucks here. We got my truck right here. We got the whole squad. This is the start of the squad right here. We got 4 F-150s. Mine's the oldest one, of course, but we got new F-150s here. So this is the truck club called Atlanta Truck Unit. I wanted to start a truck club a couple years ago when I got my truck, because there was a lack of truck clubs, at least 4 truck clubs that I know of in the Atlanta area. So that was the whole purpose of starting the truck club. So it's called Atlanta Truck Unit. If you're anywhere in the Atlanta area, you have a Ford truck, F-150, Ranger, Raptor, Maverick, F-150, F-250, F-350, all of it, F-950, whatever you got, Ford TTs. Some people know what I'm talking about. Ford TTs, AA's, whatever. F-100s, whatever Ford truck you have, you want to join us, come check us out. We're trying to get together and have Ford truck events and have camaraderie between us Ford truck owners. There are a lot of us in the area, which is, I see Ford trucks, custom Ford trucks every day. So if you want to join, hit the link in the description below. Atlanta Truck Unit. You can get more information on meandcarkeys.com as well. Check us out. If you're in the Atlanta area on April 13th, we're going to have our first official meetup on April 13th. It's a Saturday at 12 noon down in Noonan, Georgia. All information will be in the description below, or you can check us on our Instagram page as well at Atlanta Truck Unit. All right, cool. Thanks for watching another video on the Me and Carkeys channel. If you got any use out of this video at all, let me know as well in the comments below. Motivation Crew, thanks for all you do. That's me, that's you, that's what we do. I'm gonna get back inside before I lose all my sense of taste, smell, and sight, okay? And before I can't breathe anymore. So thanks for watching the video on the Me and Carkeys channel, and ironically, it's about to rain. I'll see you next time.